Hi, welcome to Light Tech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix Instagram live option not showing. First, all you have to do is to check if there is no violation on your Instagram account that might limiting you from going live. You have to check if there's any violation that you have violated the Instagram policy that is limiting you from going live. The next is for you to check if you have up to 1,000 followers. If you don't have up to 1,000 followers on your Instagram, at least minimum of 1,000 followers on your Instagram, you won't be able to have the live option. When you click on the plus quit button, all you're going to see is your post, story and reel. You will not be able to see the live option there until you have up to 1,000 followers on your Instagram. The next one is for you to go to your Play Store, and your Play Store or Apple Store. There you have to do is to update your accounts. So you just go to your Apple Store or your Google Play Store and update your account. If you have the option of update, like my here, I have the option of open, so it's okay. The next is for you to go to your settings option. So right here on my settings, I just have to scroll, click on the app management, click on the app list. So right here, all you have to do is search for your Instagram. Click on storage and cache. So all you have to do here is to clear the cache. When you clear the cache, refresh your phone, restart your phone by offing it and on it again. That way you'll be able to get the option for live on your Instagram. I hope with this guide you'll be able to fix your Instagram live option not showing. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.